I would never be your officer, you're with me over. I shot warning and proud to be a savior. Show a little respect. Change your attitude, change your plan. They can never really be justice or stolen. You really love me, tell me quality. When my car's hooked up, you know you wanna follow me. You know it's up in the bar. You won't even think about looking at these real criminals. This got to see, we can get hurt. That's the sound of the police. What? That's the sound. What? That's the sound of the police. You already know. That's the sound of the police. Now here's a little truth. Open up your eye while you checking out the boom back. Check the exit out. Take the word overseer like a sample. Repeat it very quickly in a crew. For example, overseer, 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 overseer. Yeah, officer from over. You need a little clarity? Overseer rode around the plantation. Officer is up patrolling out his nation. Overseer can stop you what you doing. Officer will pull you over just when he's pursuing. Overseer has the right to get and if you pull back. Officer has the right to arrest. And if you face them, they put a hole in you. They both ride horses after 400 years. The police are my rifle gun. So when I'm on the streets, I walk around with them. I hear it all day, just so they can run the line and be able to do it.
Make some noise!
That's the sound of the police. 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 I said fuck the police.
Blast!